Hey guys, this is William. I'm sure you've noticed that Google has made some huge changes, putting extra emphasis on their Google Places, or what's better known as the Google 3-pack. However, it's hard to appear in the search results when there are so many other businesses in your area that are selling the same product or service. The good news is we have now created a better way. We have created a system to get you more Google reviews and thus dominate your competition. Did you know that over 70% of all buyers trust an online Google review as much as a personal recommendation from a family member or friend? The truth is that if your competition have better Google reviews than you, then you're losing sales right now and don't even realize it. With our 5-star reputation management system, we do all the heavy lifting. Your customers will receive an email and a text message from us asking them to leave a Google review. The system automatically redirects them to your Google page for them to post their review. Google reviews are considered gold when it comes to getting higher rankings in the search engines, and now with our help, we will get you there. Give us a call today at 904-445-1675. We look forward to working with you.